Time for school. Yellow. 1, 2 gumballs. 1, 2, 3. 3 Legos. It's Rubble. Rubble is wearing yellow. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue gumballs. 1, 2, 3 blue Legos. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We made Chase. Chase is wearing blue. Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange Legos. 1, 2 orange gumballs. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Zuma! And Zuma is wearing, that's right, orange. Green. 1, 2 green gumballs. 1, 2, 3 green Legos. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Here we go. Wow! It's Ariel! I wasn't expecting that. Maybe we should try again. There's Rocky. I knew we could find him. Who knows what color this is? That's right, it's pink. 1, 2, 3, 4 pink Legos. And 1, 2, 3 pink gumballs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it up. Ooh! A pink egg. I wonder what's inside. It's Sky! Sky's wearing pink. Red. 1, 2, 3, 4 red Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 red gumball. 1. Let's see what happens next. Peppa Pig! I wasn't expecting Peppa Pig. She is wearing red. That's who I was looking for. It's Marshall. And Marshall is wearing red. Orange, red, yellow, blue, green, pink. Hope you had fun. Bye-bye. Let's learn about colors. Here are some blue toys. This is the color blue. And so is this. And this. This Play-Doh is dark blue. This Play-Doh is light blue. Light blue. Dark blue. Let's use this mold to make a blue train. We made a light blue Play-Doh train. Now let's make one out of the dark blue Play-Doh. Dark blue, light blue. These toys are pink. I have some pink Play-Doh. Let's make this pony with it. There's our pink pony. Peppa Pig is wearing a red dress, but her skin is pink. These are the same shade of pink. This is a different shade of pink. It's a darker pink. Light pink, dark pink. Did you like seeing those pink gumballs? That was fun, wasn't it? Sky is wearing a darker shade of pink. It's almost like a purpley pink. Some people would call that magenta. See the difference? Do you know what color this is? That's right, orange. And look who's inside. It's Zuma. Zuma wears orange. Mummy Pig wears orange. Here's another Zuma. Do you know this Care Bear's name? An orange pony. And a carrot. All of these toys are orange. This egg is light orange. This gumball is dark orange. Mummy Pig's dress is light orange. Zuma's outfit is dark orange. Blue, pink, orange. Blue, pink, orange. Bye-bye.